Have you ever been in that frustrating situation? You're trying to set up a direct deposit, send an e-transfer to a new recipient, or maybe even link an external account, and then it pops up, a field asking for a bank code. Your mind races, you know your account number, you know your institution number, but bank code? What in the world is that? And if you bank with TD Canada Trust, you might be thinking, what's their bank code? It's a common point of confusion, and for good reason. Unlike some other countries, Canada has a slightly different system for identifying financial institutions. We don't typically use a single, universal bank code in the same way you might see an IBAN in Europe or an ABA routing number in the United States. This distinction is crucial because trying to find a direct equivalent for TD Canada Trust bank code can send you down a rabbit hole of outdated information or lead you to the wrong solution. Imagine you're trying to receive a payment from someone outside of Canada. They're asking for your bank SWIFT code, a common international identifier. Or perhaps you're setting up a pre-authorized debit for a bill payment within Canada, and the company is asking for a bank ID or branch code. The terminology can be a minefield. And for a massive institution like TD Canada Trust, with its countless branches and services, pinpointing the exact piece of information you need can feel like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. The good news is, once you understand the Canadian banking system's unique identifiers, it all becomes much clearer. Instead of a single bank code, we primarily use two key pieces of information to route transactions accurately: the institution number and the transit number, also known as the branch number. For TD Canada Trust, their institution number is always 004. This number uniquely identifies TD as a financial institution within Canada. Think of it as TD's national ID card. No matter which branch you go to, or what type of account you have with TD, the institution number will always be 004. Now, alongside the institution number, you'll also need a transit number. This is a 5-digit number that identifies your specific branch where your account was opened or is primarily managed. Every TD branch has its own unique transit number. So, if you're setting up a direct deposit, you'd provide the institution number, 004, and the transit number for your specific branch, along with your individual account number. To find your transit number, you have a few easy options. It's usually printed on the bottom of your checks. Look for a 5-digit number preceding your account number. You can also find it by logging into your TD Canada Trust online banking account. It's typically displayed alongside your account details. Alternatively, a quick call to TD's customer service or a visit to your local branch will get you this information in no time. So, to reiterate, while there isn't a single bank code for TD Canada Trust in the same universal sense, the combination of their institution number, 004, and your specific transit number serves the same purpose for most transactions within Canada. For international transactions, you'll typically be asked for TD's SWIFT code, TOMCATR, which is their unique international identifier. Understanding these distinctions will save you a lot of headache and ensure your financial transactions go through smoothly every time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.